Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to remove Sora 2 watermark. Okay, first you want to search for free Sora watermark remover. Then you want to go and hit this link right here, and I'll leave it also down below in the description. Then you want to go and click on upload or drag video here. Then you want to go and click on remove watermark button right here, and you're all done. But you need to know that this feature is limited by using this website. So you will have as a guest user 5 videos that you can actually remove the watermark from every 24 hours. And for the registered users also can get 5 videos. But I will tell you exactly a small trick that you can actually use in order to get unlimited videos. The first one is to simply use a different browser. Okay, so this is the first trick. The second trick is to use the incognito tab. So simply go and open your browser, then click on the top right side, go and click on new in private window, and here you have the private window. You can now go and paste the link of the website again and try to do it, or simply use a VPN. And all these things can trick the website in order to make or create unlimited videos and remove watermarks as you want. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.